Hey there, and welcome. If you're a new parent, I'm willing to bet you've spent a lot of time thinking about one major question. So let's just dive right into it. What is the absolute perfect first solid food for your baby? It's a huge decision, and it can feel totally overwhelming, right? You've got advice coming from every direction, everything from fancy formulas to old school traditions like rice water. But what if the answer is way, way simpler? What if the best choice is something that's not just packed with nutrients, but also naturally delicious? Super easy to prepare, and, well, it's probably sitting on your kitchen counter as we speak. One of the most common worries for parents is my baby eating enough? Are they gaining enough weight? It's a thought that's always in the back of your mind, especially when you're making that huge leap from only liquids to solid foods. Think about it. For a baby who has only ever known milk, their first real food has to be something pretty special. It can't just be good for them. It has to be tasty. It's got to be appealing enough to make them want to try it. I mean, let's be honest, bland rice water isn't exactly the most exciting introduction to the world of eating, is it? And that brings us to our superfood solution, the humble banana. It's naturally sweet, something babies are just hardwired to love, and that makes it the perfect, exciting first step into the amazing world of solid foods. So when you think about what makes a great first food, what's on the checklist? It needs to be easy to digest, loaded with nutrients, have a natural sweetness, and, this is a big one for busy parents, require zero cooking. Well, guess what? The banana checks every single box. It's so gentle on a baby's developing tummy, and it even has enzymes that help their little gut break it all down. Okay, so what's the real proof? Why exactly is the banana such a powerhouse for a growing baby? Let's peel back the layers and look at the nutritional treasure that's hiding inside this simple fruit. A banana is so much more than just a quick and easy snack. It is absolutely loaded with the essential vitamins and minerals that fuel a baby's growth, keeping them full, active, and healthy from their head to their toes. I mean, just look at this lineup. You've got iron, calcium, potassium, and a whole bunch of essential vitamins. A banana is like a complete nutritional package in its own convenient wrapper. So now, let's see exactly how each of these helps build a stronger, healthier baby. Each one of these nutrients plays a super important role. The iron, that helps build healthy blood. Calcium, as we all know, is crucial for strong bones. Potassium is a rock star for both muscle function and brain development. Vitamin A is key for good eyesight. And the fiber helps keep their little digestive system moving smoothly, which, as any parent knows, is a huge plus. All right, so we get why bananas are so great. But what about the how? Well, the good news is, it seriously could not be easier. One of the absolute best things about bananas is that they require absolutely no cooking. None. And you can easily adapt how you prepare it as your child grows. For a 6-month-old who's just getting started, just mash up a small piece into a nice, smooth puree. Perfect. As they get a little older, you can offer small, soft slices they can pick up themselves. And before you know it, you can just hand a toddler the whole banana and watch them go to town. Now, as fantastic as bananas are, it's really important to have a balanced view. There are some specific times when it might actually be better to hold off on the banana for a little bit. So while a banana is a perfect daily food, the general advice is to avoid it if your baby has a high fever or a really bad cold. Why? Well, some elements in bananas can sometimes increase phlegm, and that might just make their congestion feel a little worse. It's a small detail, but definitely an important one to keep in mind. And really, this is just great advice for any food, isn't it? As amazing as bananas are, a varied diet is always the best way to go. Too much of any one thing, even a superfood, isn't ideal. Moderation is key. So the main takeaway here is pretty clear. The banana is an easy, affordable, and incredibly powerful first food that can give your baby a really fantastic start on their journey with solids. It's a simple choice that can make a huge difference. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? With all that benefit packed into one common, everyday fruit, what other simple superfoods are just hiding in plain sight, waiting in our kitchens to be discovered? Definitely something to think about.